Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Obsidian Daily Notes Template. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing that you want to do is go to the settings icon here at the bottom. You want to click on that, and then go to Community Plugins, and then you go to click on Browse. So now you just need to search up Templater. As you can see there, it has already been installed. But if you don't have it, you need to install it first. So you're going to see a nice little install button here at the bottom. But since I already have it, it's not there at the moment. So once you get it, you're going to go back and you're going to scroll down. Now, under the heading which says Community Plugins, you're going to search for something which says Templater. So you want to select that. You have to ensure that this is enabled. So trigger Templater on new file creation. You're going to toggle that on, make sure that it is on. And then we're going to go back. Now, there is something important that you also need to do. So if you go to the settings icon and you scroll down, under the heading which says Community Plugins, you're going to select Templater. Now, here it says Templater folder location. Files in this folder will be available as templates. Make sure that you select templates and don't leave it open and blank. So now we're going to type in daily. So after typing out daily, you're going to press enter. And you're going to use the less than symbol and then the percentage symbol. So as you can see there, it has been highlighted, so it's like in blue. And then type in TP dot space. And then we're going to add in another percentage sign. And then we're going to use the more than symbol. So now if I go here to the middle, what you'll notice is that there's a few options available to me. So if I click that, as you can see there, config, date, file, front master. So now there's something cool that happens. If we go to the middle here and we just backspace a bit, we have different options available to us. Config, date, file, front matter, hooks, Obsidian, system, and web. But in this case, we just need date. This module contains every internal function related to date. So we're going to select that. Now, after doing so, we're going to add in a full stop. And now it says now, tomorrow, yesterday, weekday. But I'm going to select now. Okay, so I've already added in a format. So it starts with years, months, and then days. And then I close it off with brackets. So now I want this to be a link. I'm going to add in a few square brackets. Now, for doing so, it's going to create a file under journal and it's going to include the date of today. So now we need to include yesterday and tomorrow. So we're going to go back to the daily template under template and we're going to go here. So now I'm going to create an arrow pointing to the left. So we're going to use the less than symbol and we're going to use the equal to sign. So now what we need to do is copy all of this and then click on copy. So then we're going to press enter and then we're going to click on paste. Now what we need to do is add an arrow pointing to the right. So we're going to do that. So we're going to use the equal to sign symbol. And then we're going to use the arrow, the more than symbol. And now I'm going to go back here, I'm going to press enter and then paste it once more. So now we need to go back to the first one and I'm going to add in an offset number. So after the quotation mark, I'm going to use a comma and then I'm going to put in -1. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to go to the first one. So next to daily, where we added in those two brackets. Now after the greater than symbol, we're going to add in the pipe symbol. Now it says here display text. So yes, that's what we want. So now if we go to the second one, instead of now, we're going to type in yesterday. And here for the third one, I'm going to type in tomorrow. So now what we need to do is go to settings. And then under community plugins, we're going to select Templater and then scroll down a bit. So now what you need to do is look for something which says community plugins. So under the heading community plugins, you're going to select Templater. You're going to scroll down a bit. Now look for something which says folder template. So folder template, and then look for something else which says add new. Add new folder template. So next to that, we're going to click on the plus icon and you're going to select a folder. Then you're going to select journal. There you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.